Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are keeping well. My name is patient known as Iyawo Ola. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. In this channel I do a lot of beautiful stuff. I do makeup tutorials, cooking recipe, motivational cleaning reaction videos. I do unboxing. I do a lot of beautiful stuff. So if you fit into any of these categories or you found my channel interesting, please do consider subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload new videos. Yes, so my old subscribers that keep coming back to my channel, thank you all so much. You guys are the real MVP. Yes guys, you are the real MVP. Thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate your love and your support towards my channel. May God bless you all for me. Amen. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, I'm putting on apron. I want to bake a cake for myself today. Yay! So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just jump right into the video. So I will explain to you all the things I'm going to be adding to my cake as we go. So stay tuned. Please don't click out, just keep watching. Okay, thank you. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using in baking my own cake today. So as you can see, I have 500 grams of flour, plain flour here, and I also have my butter here. I also have 12 eggs is here, and I also have my salt, a little bit of salt, and I also have nutmeg. You guys remember I did not add any nutmeg in the previous one. And here also, there is my baking powder. I don't know if you guys can see. And here is my the vanilla extra that I used, the remaining one that I used in my previous one. And I also have coloring. This is another vanilla as well, if you guys can see. So I have coloring as well. This is the yellow color, and this one is the red food coloring. So I'm going to add coloring to my cake today, and this is the blue one. And also this is my sugar that I'm going to be using, and sunflower oil. I'm going to the reason why I have this sunflower oil here, guys, I'm going to using it to grease my pan. I have like 3 pans here, so I might be making like 2 or 3 cakes today. So let's hope it come out well. So, and this is my other bowl with my sieve. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, this is it. So this is where I'm going to be sieving the dry ingredients to. First of all, I'm going to start with the plain flour first. So, and here are all the tools that I'm going to be using for now. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys this evaporated milk. You can add water to it if you don't want to add milk. You can also add the fresh milk to it or the powder milk to it, but I choose to use this one. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be adding to it. So guys, this is it now. I'm done with them. You can see. So guys, I want to start sieving the flour now, and I've already on my oven. It's heating up now. So guys, I've already had in my butter into the bowl, so I want to do the wet ingredients now. So I'm just going to, guys, remember the last time I did not use any hand mixer, so I'm going to do the same thing today. I'm not going to use hand mix as like I'm just going to do it manually with my hand. But the last time I used my bare hand to mix everything. So today I'm going to use this wooden spoon to mix everything together. So guys, I'm going to put my sugar. I'm just going to add it bit by bit. Don't want to pour everything at once. See how it looks now, guys. You see? So creamy now. It's so soft and fluffy, guys. Very, very soft. See, let me show it to you guys so you know what I'm talking about. So soft and fluffy now. And it's creamy now. It's getting creamy. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm not going to pour it at once. I'm just going to be pouring it bit by bit, like what I did to the sugar. So I'm just going to mix it.
Music keeps me dancing.
The reason why I'm putting in the milk, I want it really creamy, like, so that's why I'm putting the milk with the butter and the sugar. So that's why, and it's really soft now. So I'm going to pour in another one. I'm not going to pour it at once as well. So I'm just going to mix them together again. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is it now. This is how it look. I closed my curtain because it looks like it's too yellowish, so you guys will not really see the real color of the mixture. So that's why I had to close my curtain. Sorry about that, guys. So I really want you guys to see how creamy this is. So that's why I have to close it. You see? So you guys will see what I'm talking about. You can see how soft is becoming and is creamy as well. So I'm learning every day. It's determination. When you are determined to know something, you go for it. So I've had the last milk to eat. So guys, you can see how it looks now. is so moist, so soft, so soft. How it looks now. You can see. So I'm going to use this again. So I'm done with this now. I'm going to whisk the egg. I'll break the 12 egg in the bowl. So I'm just going to whisk it. So I'm going to put this aside and then whisk the egg. And then whisk the egg. This is the egg. I know this bowl is quite small, but I'm just going to manage and whisk it. So guys, I'm using the whisk. So I'm going to add another batch. 3. No, sorry, 2. Because I'm adding them in 2. No, hold it, mama. That one too. So guys, this is our cake. So this is how it looks. I've mixed it very well. Sorry guys, it's kind of a bit dark. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I think it's because of the weather, because I'm actually using the natural lights. So I'm just going to use this to put everything together. Look now guys, see how it looks. So guys, here is my pan. This is the first one. So I'm going to pour a little amount of this into this place because I do not want it too much inside, so that I can have this to spread this around. Remember, I'm going to add the mix colorings. So first of all, I'm going to add in the yellow one. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I'm just doing it the way my spirit leads me. So guys, this is the first one that I did. I mixed after I put in the plain mixture of the flour. So I had in the red, the yellow and the blue. So I mixed everything together inside the pan, and then I had another plain mixture of the flour on top of it. You can see that's why it's like this. And this one here, you guys see what I did. I mixed everything, the yellow, red and the blue together. So this is how it is look now. So I'm just going to put them into the oven. Stay tuned. finished, I'm going to cut this top out. So this is my cake board. Guys, look at how the inside of my cake looks like.
What is that?
So I'm going to put it like so. So guys, this is the second one. This is it. So I'm going to cut the top as well. Just going to do the same thing with the what I did to the other one. So I'm going to cut these top parts off. Guys, this is how the inside look. Guys, are you ready to see the inside? This is how the inside of this one is. Start with my decoration. I don't even know where to start from. Look of the cake. So far, it's so heavy, guys. How it actually look.